got a package. Let's go. Oh, wrong way. Oh, I have paper. What's this? Whatever. Got this package out of here. So yeah, I finally have a Cat Mario. I'm not gonna customize it, but I'm gonna tape the head and the tail so it has super. So I'm gonna do a Bowser's Fury video. Hold on, Mario up here. I think they're the same height. Hold on, Mario, put on your damn hat. There we go. It looks a little weird, but it still looks good. Also, old Cat Mario. This piece of shit, I'm not using this anymore. So now I'm gonna use this Chad of a plushie. Let's open it. Hey, little buddy. So yeah, I have 2 Mario plushies now. Okay, thanks for. We're still not close to 400 subs. I hope we can get to that video. Okay, bye.